If you want to pay with PayPal on Steam, the process is usually very simple, but there is one important 2026 update you need to know before you get started. In this video, I'll show you the standard way to use PayPal at checkout, and I'll also explain what to do if the PayPal option is missing because of Steam's current currency restrictions. So if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Steam and log into your account. Once you're signed in, browse the store and add the game you want to buy to your cart. When you're ready, click Purchase for myself if it's for you, or Purchase as a gift if you want to send it to someone else. This takes you to the checkout screen where you'll choose your payment method. On the payment method page, look for the drop-down menu and select PayPal. After that, click Continue. Steam will redirect you to a PayPal login window where you can sign in and authorize the purchase. Just confirm the payment details, review the amount, and approve the transaction. Once it goes through, Steam will return you to the store and your purchase should complete normally. Now here's a useful pro tip. If you see a box that says Save my payment information, you can check it if you want faster checkout next time. This may enable one-touch style checkout for future purchases, which can save you a few clicks the next time you buy a game. If you use PayPal often, that small step can make the process much smoother. But now let's talk about the 2026 currency lockdown, because this is where a lot of users get confused. As of late 2025 and early 2026, PayPal and Valve have limited direct PayPal support on Steam based on store currency. Right now, PayPal is only available directly if your Steam store is set to one of these 6 currencies: US dollar, Euro, British pound, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, or Australian dollar. So if your local Steam currency is something else like INR, PHP, BRL, or TRY, you may not see PayPal at checkout at all. That doesn't always mean something is broken. It usually means Steam is not offering PayPal for that currency region right now. In that case, you'll need a workaround. The best workaround is to buy a Steam gift card from a reputable third-party seller, such as Humble Bundle or a trusted local retailer, using PayPal. Then redeem that code on Steam to add funds to your wallet. Once the wallet balance is added, you can use it to purchase games and other content on Steam without needing direct PayPal checkout. To redeem a Steam gift card, go to your Steam wallet or redeem a Steam gift card section, enter the code carefully, and confirm the redemption. After the balance appears in your wallet, go back to the store and buy the game normally. This is usually the easiest alternative if PayPal is not showing up for your currency. So the main takeaway is this: if your store currency is supported, you can pay with PayPal directly in just a few clicks. If it isn't supported, use a Steam Wallet gift card as the backup method. That way you can still fund your Steam account and complete your purchase. If this tutorial helped you out, please tap like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step tech and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.